Hello friends, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z with color names. So let's start. Let's draw. A,
A B C D E
B,
F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S
C,
T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time,
D,
won't you sing with me? A B C D
E,
E F G H I J K L M N O P Q
F,
R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
G,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
H, I, J,
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O
K,
P Q R S T U V W X
L,
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
M,
A B C
N,
D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S
O,
T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my
P,
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O
W,
P Q R S T U V W X
X,
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Y,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Z,
A B C D
A,
E F
B,
G H I
C,
J K L
D,
M N O P
E,
Q R
F,
S
G,
T U V
H,
W X
I,
Y and
J,
Z.
K,
Now I know
L,
my
M,
ABCs. Next
N,
time, won't you
O,
sing with
P,
me?
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint sky blue color.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V
A for
W X
alligator,
Y and Z. Now I
dark
know
green
my
color.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
B for butterfly,
A B C
red
D
color.
E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S
C for
W
cake,
X Y and
yellow
Z.
color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
D for dog, orange color. E for egg, sky blue color. F for frog, dark green color.
A B C D E F
G.
H
G
I
for
J K
grapes.
L M N O P Q R S
Red
T
color.
U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
H.
Next time
H
won't
for
you
horse.
sing with me?
Yellow color.
A B C D E F
I.
G
I for
H I
ice
J
cream.
K L M N O P Q R
Orange
S
color.
T U V W
J.
X
J
Y
for
and
jug.
Z. Now I know my
Sky blue
ABCs.
color.
Next time won't you sing with me?
K. K for kite. Dark green color. L. L for lemon.
A B C D E F
Red
G
color.
H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
M.
Now I
M
know
for
my
milk.
ABCs. Next time won't you
Yellow
sing with
color.
me?
N. N for
A B
nest.
C D E F G
Orange
H
color.
I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W
O.
X
O
Y
for
and Z.
onion.
Now I know my ABCs.
Sky blue color.
Next time won't you sing with me?
P. P for panda. Dark green color. Q. Q for queen. Red color. R. R for rose. Yellow color.
B C D E F G H I J K L M
S.
N O P
S for
Q
sun.
R S T U V
Orange
W
color.
X Y and Z. Now I know
T.
my
T for
ABCs.
tiger.
Next time won't you sing with me?
Sky blue color.
A B C D E F G
U. U
H I
for
J K L
umbrella.
M N O P Q R S
Dark green
T
color.
U V W X Y and Z.
V.
Now I know
V
my
for
ABCs.
volcano.
Next time won't you sing with
Red
me?
color. W. W for watermelon.
A B C
Yellow
D
color.
E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V
X.
W
X for Xmas tree.
Now I know my
Orange color.
ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Y. Y for yo-yo. Sky blue color.
C D E F G H I J K L M N O
Z.
P
Z for zebra.
T U
Let's
V
learn.
W X
A.
Y and
B.
Z.
C.
Now I know my
D. E.
ABCs.
F.
Next time won't you
G.
sing with
H.
me?
I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Red color. A. A for apple. B. B for bear.
A B C D E
C for candle. Yellow color. D for doctor. E for elephant. F for flower. Orange color. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. Black color. J for jam. K for kettle. L for lamp. Dark green color. M for milk. N for nail. O for orange. Red color. P for peacock. Q for quiet. R for rain. Yellow color. S for sun. T for train. U for unicorn. Orange color. V for vase. W for watch. X for xylophone. Black color. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Orange color. 1. Light green color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Red color. 4. Sky blue color. 5. Orange color. 6. Light green color. 7. Yellow color. 8. Red color. 9. Sky blue color. 10. Orange color. 11. Light green color. 12. Yellow color. 13. Red color. 14. Sky blue color. 15. Orange color. 16. Light green color. 17. Yellow color. 18. Red color. 19. Sky blue color. 20. Let's learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.